Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Pathak, and I am Global AI Lead for Oil and Gas at Intel Corporation. Today, we will talk about acceleration of deep learning using Intel Distribution of OpenVINO toolkit. Uh, in today's talk, we will use a 3D seismic case study to understand this acceleration using OpenVINO. These are my notices and disclaimers. Okay, so let's take a step back and see how do we unleash full potential of Intel. So this is your CPU and all your hardwares, integrated GPU, FPGA, etc. That we provide best in class. But again, uh, in order to unleash full potential, we combine the powers of software and hardware. So on top of your hardware layer sits your topologies and frameworks and toolkits provided by Intel, or the framework that are optimized by Intel, like TensorFlow, which is Intel optimized, PyTorch, which is Intel optimized, etc. Today, we will talk about this OpenVINO, which is the toolkit, a low-code toolkit to optimize your AI workloads on Intel hardware.